When market fails, state gives package. State should enter, but in a short term. Its approach should be to re-energize that market, make it efficient, rather than run that market. It is widely agreed that the government ought to provide the goods that market fails to provide or does not provide efficiently. Argue. Right? उसके बाद अभी क्वेश्चन नहीं आया है, इस टाइम आया होगा 2024 में. This. So now can you argue? Can you understand this question? It is widely agreed that the government ought to provide the goods that market fails to provide. Is it? Government should provide those goods which market fails to provide? Yes? True. कहाँ कहाँ करेगा स्टेट प्रोवाइड? तो किंगफिशर फेल हो गया तो गवर्नमेंट को खरीद लेना चाहिए.
Sir, can we add the Amartya concept in this question?
Yes. Yes. What do you think? मार्केट फेल हो जाए तो स्टेट को डिलीवर करना चाहिए. तो सब प्राइम क्राइसिस एंड यूएस मार्केट फेल्ड. Should US government start providing? The government भी bankrupt हो जाएगी.
Exactly.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So you have to tell कि not necessarily. States should try to intervene so that कि market can work, it can come out of failure. So when market fails, state gives package, stimulus package. State tries to restructure market, twin balance sheet problem and recapitalization. कुछ कुछ इकॉनमी आता होगा, नहीं भी आता होगा तो recapitalization. Yes, we can add. So you should know that कि recapitalization, the state try to, it is a very very simplistic thing कि market fails, the state should start delivering. Then what is the logic of rolling back of state? How we are trying to privatize? Why we are trying to privatize? Yes. So when market fails, let's say कि Lehman Brothers failed in US. So what state did is intervened. Right? Intervened means it, let's say कि it bought the equity share of Lehman Brothers. Once it started working, it withdrew. The US government withdrew the equity share. This, and again it privatized. What we have to do is that states should enter, but in a short term. Right? States should not, let's say, start delivering. Its approach should be to re-energize that market, make it efficient, rather than run that market. Because then state will not be able to do, business of the state is not to do business. This, it should revive market rather than deliver itself. Yes, in some cases where market may not deliver efficiently, let's say remote areas, countryside, you can consider, high level of, let's say, public service orientation that we need, public motive we need, or the vaccines, etc. you can say, you can give example. Their market means the state should deliver. It should step in. But it should try its motive should be in today's context that regulator and facilitator rather than doer and actor. This you can say. That should be the approach. It was a trap. It is a very good question also. No? UPSC frames questions, you know that, how they frame questions. It was a trap. अब बहुत सारे लोग ट्रैप हो जाएंगे. Yes, markets, state should deliver. This is called understanding. How you understand it, how you apply it, right? This is how the questions have been asked related to market and state debate. This.